Hi, my name is Alfa and I'm a master's student.
I'm Karim and I'm a computer science student.
And we are both part of the StudioTax team. Now, I don't know if you guys are aware, but StudioTax is celebrating its 15th anniversary. To commemorate, we've launched both the iOS and Android mobile application version of StudioTax.
So we've listened to your feedback and we've released a native mobile app, which means it's not a front end to a web-based app. Therefore, your information is not stored online, it is not stored on the cloud, it is uniquely stored on your personal device. The privacy and security of our clients' personal data remains our highest priority.
That's right. Now, all of the features that you're used to on the desktop app are also available on the mobile application, which means you can autofill your return, you can net file it, you can print as PDF, and you'll even get your CRA notice of assessment. In addition, all the different types of returns that are supported by the desktop app are also supported by the mobile application. So you can do something as simple as a student tax return or something a little more complex like a business, self-employment, or rental income tax return.
The app is officially available for download on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. Let's take a quick tour of the application.
Let's start by opening a 2019 return. In the main screen, you'll find the federal forms. You can navigate to the provincial forms and to the T-slips. Navigating the forms themselves, you can use the arrows as well as the page numbers at the bottom. By tapping once on the yellow background fields, you'll be able to change the field itself. By double-clicking on the blue text, it'll send you to the linked form. You can view all your loaded forms by clicking the list icon. If your form is not loaded yet, you can press the add icon and select what form you want to open. The same applies to the provincial forms. You can view your loaded forms or you can add more forms. This is where the main menu can be found. Under the PDF tab, you'll be able to print your return as a PDF. Once you have completed your return, you will be able to transmit it to CRA using the net file option. All your generated StudioTax files can be found in your files under the StudioTax 2019 folder.
Stay tuned for a future series of video that will give you a more in-depth look on how to use the application. Thank you so much for using StudioTax, and please don't hesitate to share the news with your friends and family.